2020 to 2020. 4 years ago, nasulat ko na yung vow ko. Sabi ko, future husband, God-given partner in the near future. Ikaw yun.
Nung bata ako, may nakapagsabi sa akin na may nagsabi sa akin nito at tumatak siya sa isip ko hanggang ngayon, hanggang pagtanda. Ang sabi ni Father is, magmamahal ka ng dalawang babae sa buong buhay mo. Una, yung babaeng magbibigay ng buhay mo at gagabay sa'yo hanggang makita mo yung pangalawang babae. Ayun, si Mama. Pangalawa, yung babaeng kukumpleto ng buhay mo at magbibigay ng kahulugan sa buhay mo sa mundong ito. Siya din yung babaeng kakampi mo sa lahat ng bagay at makakasama mo hanggang sa huling hininga mo.
Eden and Mary Ann, this love that you will commit before the altar of God and the people of God, embracing being husband and wife, living together, it will last until your last breath.
We will build a family of Christians where the Lord is always glorified. We will teach our children with compassion and love so that they can be good citizens. We will have a family who's willing to give help to those who are in need. We will have a family where love can be easily expressed and respect is given to all regardless of status in life and achievements. We will have children that will continuously make us proud, for they will advocate for peace and hope. And you will be my partner in achieving that.
Sobrang habang panahon kong hinanap at hinintay yung babaeng pangalawa. Ngayon na nandito ka, sobrang sigurado ako na ikaw yung pangalawang babaeng yun.
Come beside the storm in the way you're meant to. I couldn't say for sure.
Today, the Lord give you this day to embrace the sacrament of matrimony, to remind you, Ed and Dudes, this is it. Hindi ito trial and error.
Mga anak ko! Ngayon, ako si
In forward motion to still this heart apart. All my trouble.
Hindi ka kanayas, pero 3, ano to?
Rest assured, we were made for this.
Ed, today you are now here, ready to embrace or to give your total self to your wife, Mary Ann. You are now ready to give your total self to her. Give your total self to her without any condition, without any reservation. Genuinely, wholeheartedly, from your heart, give your total self to her.
Eden, I know you are near. And ito na yung near, yung future. Ito na yung present. I will do my best to be a better version of myself when we meet. And I hope better ako. And I'm the best version nung nakilala mo ako. And kahit nakita mo na yung worst ko, minahal mo pa din ako. And I am praying that you are doing well. Seek me, wait for me, and let us trust the Lord for its timing and plan for us. Ito na yun. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Okay, tagal ko nang naghihintay na sa akin ay mag-aalay na pag-ibig na tunay at di mawawakas. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ika'y makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang tula sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka.
Ikaw ang magiging inspirasyon ko sa lahat ng pagsubok at kasama kong magbubunyi sa lahat ng aking mga tagumpay. Ikaw ang aking tahanan, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Ikaw ang aking inspirasyon at higit sa lahat, ikaw ang aking one piece.
Pangarap ko, pangarap ko, pangarap ko.
Sa bawat segundo ng ating pagsasama ay mas lalo pa kitang mamahalin at aalagaan at ipagdarasal hanggang sa dulo ng aking buhay. At kung may buhay man pagkatapos nito, doon ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko.